Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video around the AI. In this video, we'll see the new release from the Google, and the application is Google Vids. So if you open here, you'll find some of the new feature have been added Google secretly here. Like you have here option you can create a AI video, edit video with AI, and now you'll be able to use this avatar here. So you have already seen how you'll be able to use your own personal avatar, like your own picture and your own sound in the Gemini. But now, whatever you have added over the Gemini, you will be able to use here. Okay, so let me try using this one. And here I am going to tell here. And now you see, we already have added here in the Gemini or Omni, you can say, if you type like this, you'll be able to fetch your this one. Now I'm going to tell here use this with professional shirt and tie. Okay, so I am going to use. I have just recorded the raw one. If you have not watched my previous video, how you'll be able to generate your avatar with your video and the sound, I will paste here the link. You can go through and watch that one. So after setting that one, you will be able to use your avatar here. Okay, so now you can generate n number of video here. I have not tested actually this part, but with the Omni I was able to test only able to create the three video in a day. But here I have tested almost the three plus video. I think the four I have tested last night, and it was working fine for me. So you will be able to see here. I think the more number of access you will have here on in terms of creating the number of videos. Okay, so this is something I just given the command here, and now I tell you here what is LMS. Yeah, let's say the bits here. What is Google Bits? So I'm going to explain here in this video, and I just created the one. So I'm not pasting here my script. So I'm just giving the command. It will be explaining me here. Okay, so I will also type and explain something this. So I just have to click here, and you can adjust between your here the aspect ratio which whatever is your priority. So landscape is fine in my case, but in case you want to adjust, you can go for the portrait one as well. So I just submitted here, and now you see it is way faster than the Omni one. And you see it's a progress here, and the 14% is already done. And now you can see you have this video. Google Vids is a brand new AI powered video creation tool. It belongs to the Google Workspace family and simplifies pitches and team celebrations. But yeah, so I just inserted the one, and in case you have to create a other one, we have option here, you can extend this one. Okay, so add explain feature. Okay, so you can type here explain feature around widths. So this is just the command I have just given here, and let's see how it goes. So I just added the one, and you see this is the one I it's a recorded one, and you see how classy look it has. So it's all depend on your the way you type your prompt and give your command. It depends on how your video will look like. But the thing is, you will have option here. You'll be able to generate in a very easy way, and you'll be able to even merge. So you see here, I just try here the extend one, and let's see how the things are getting connected. Whether I am getting the connected, like you see the trace and the tie color and the background color, and the next video what is coming. You see it's a 74. How it is it really connected with the previous one, or I am getting the different one? So we'll also be testing here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's wait for a few more seconds here, and you see it's 99. Well, so I have this video is ready now, and you can see you generated the video. Yes, Well, so it looks cool here, and now you'll be able to insert like this one. So now you see, I just created the two video and I just inserted the both one. And if you play combining these two, you'll have the proper video, whatever the actual the purpose. Well, okay, so you see a bit of sound balancing. So you have option here. You can improve sound like balance sound. You can go for applying this one, and even you can select one more time, or you can go for creating your. You can type your own command, so you'll have the better output. You see a bit of disconnection here, but yeah. So I'm even the trying for the first time. I have used the extend feature, and it's look good really. You can try give it a try at your end, and you'll have maybe the better output than what I am trying here. Okay, so this is all from this video. If you like this video, give me a hit like, and if you more video like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.